2, 1.
Hi, my name is Ruth and I'm going to show you today how to make some beads from rose petals. And I started off with these here, little buds, and I just ground them up into a powder that you see here. So you can dry your own roses and it's really nice if they smell. And so there's just a powder like this, and I just add some water and you just stir it around and it'll turn into a paste, like a clay, like this.
So if you had rosebuds from your garden,
yeah. So if you have rosebuds
dry them
for your
where
garden,
would you dry them, Ruth?
Well, you would hang them up, or you could put them. If you just had the petals, you could put them between sheets of newspaper and put them in the hot press.
Okay.
You know, or just hang them in a cool, dry place. So what you've got there is then you've got a clay, and it's quite pliable. So you can make that into a little bead and form it into your bead, or you can also make little pendants. And when you have your bead made, it's like a little plasticine. It dries after a couple of days. Don't leave it somewhere too hot or it'll crack. And if you leave it somewhere too cold, it'll go moldy. So you have to get somewhere just right, usually in a living room. And so you make your little bead like this. And then if you have a darning needle, it's handy, but anything, just to stick a hole in the middle of it like this and just shape it around. And when it dries, it's about the same hardness of a kidney bean. And when you thread it and wear it on your skin, you get the lovely smell of roses on your, just all around you. And that's where rosary beads actually came from. They're made of rose petals.
Great.
Yeah.